Hey guys, thought I'd show you what I've been working on all day today. I've been wanting to build this one for a while and just, I don't know, hadn't really got into it. Still not. Probably at a stopping point for it now, as a matter of fact. It'll sit here for a while. 1/20th scale, so I'm going to do a few things I've been wanting to do. Didn't come with a tailgate, so I had to build one. Not quite laid out yet, just yet, so I got to do a little bit of work. I was getting close. That'd be pretty cool though. Tailgate I haven't got smooth yet. Gotta sand it down. I'll take this apart and show you what I've got done. So, there's my frame. About the firewall board was used. The rest of it's custom built. A 4-link that does work. I think I'm going to use a watch link. I haven't decided yet. Haven't built it yet either. The fronts work as well. Like I said, not a lot done on this one yet. And I'm already kind of bored with this one, so you probably won't see another video on it for a while. I think it's going back in the box now.